Good afternoon, everyone. I just got back from seeing some clients and had a few minutes to do a little unboxing. And I thought it might be fun to do it together. But first, you guys, I have to show you this adorable coat that I got when I was in New York at Zara. Let me see if I can show you. Okay. Can you see how warm and cozy this little guy is? Let me see if you can see this little guy. Anyways, I think it is so cute and I actually can wear it. The sun is poking out. I live in Portland, Oregon, but I just had to show you. I think it's just a super cute, cozy coat and it was very inexpensive. And I finally got to pull it out. So anyways, you guys, one of the best boxes that is out there is the Dermstore Beautyfix, or at least in my opinion, I think it's one of the better ones. And I have to be honest, I don't really like getting a bunch of little samples. I have so many of them and I just think it gets a little overwhelming. So anyways, let's open this guy up and see what is in this month's So let's open this guy up and see what is in here for the month of October. Okay, so I think this is one of the better boxes out there, and it looks like we got a Glide Tone Ultra Softening Heel and Elbow Cream. I actually probably really need that, and that's something that I'm not going to usually go buy for myself. And you guys, this is a full size of this Glide Tone Ultra Softening Heel and Elbow Cream. I think I like it. Sorry. My pup is always going to be a little annoying here. Okay, next thing we got is the Tula Probiotic Skincare Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pad. Polishes and exfoliates for smoother, brighter skin. Very interesting. I've always wanted to try this Tula brand. I have not tried anything from them yet, and I am intrigued by that brand. So if you guys have used anything, let me know. Ooh, this looks good. Okay, so limited edition Miss de Gaspé Hydrate and Glow Illuminating Dry Mask. Ooh, okay, so this is interesting. I have used Charlotte Tilbury's dry mask, which is really interesting because you just don't think that you're going to, get that hydration or how does the technology work, but it really does. So this will be definitely something that I am excited to try, and let's see if I can find something that gives us a little bit more information about it. Okay, a dry mask. This is exclusive to Dermstore. Ooh, you guys. Okay, next thing we got is Renee, I'm probably saying her name incorrectly, Ferter Karate Nutri. I'm really butchering this. Let's see, this is a hair mask, which I always need. A nourishing mask gives your locks deep nourishment with shea butter and oil for healthy, bouncy hair. Ooh, you guys, this is gonna be great. And again, this is full size. This is a great, I am liking that. Let's look at that. Okay, this looks awesome and I can't wait to use that. I have been really enjoying that Olaplex treatment, but I can always use a mask. Okay, let's continue on with this box. The next thing that is in here is the Ritual of Tao. And this is a foaming shower gel. Transform your shower into a spa with calming white lotus and yin yin Ren infusing foam gel. Ooh, okay, so it has a pretty heavy scent. smells good. It's definitely a lovely kind of smelly, something good for the shower. Okay, so we have this, and again, this is a really nice size. That's one of the things I just really love about this. Ooh, okay, this is so funny, you guys, because the next thing is Vichy. I'm really butchering the name of everything. Purité Thermal 3-in-1 Step Cleanser for sensitive skin. So it was funny because since I am doing that Augustinus Butter Cream Challenge, I'm finding that my skin has been super dry, or not super dry, but drier. And when I talked to Lori Young at Violet Grey, she said that she thinks my cleanser is probably a little bit drying. I'm using that is Clinical Cleansing Complex. So I was like, I'm gonna have to go get a new cleanser. And now I don't need to because this sounds perfect. Stay in bed a little longer thanks to this combo toner, cleanser, and makeup remover. This is for sensitive skin, so I'm excited. And I've also wanted to try this brand. I really like La Roche-Posay, I think is what it is. I really like a lot of theirs, and I love Avène. Avène has a lot of good products. Okay, let's take a little, it's just like a very nice creamy cleanser. It does have a little bit of scent to it, but not kind of just a clean kind of scent. Okay, yay. I will give that a try and report back on this because that might be just what I need. Okay, onward. Sanitas Lemon Cream Scrub Facial Wash. And you know what, let's see. Reveal brighter, softer, and more radiant skin with help from invigorating lemon, rich vitamin E, and gentle silica crystals. So that was one thing I was gonna say is my skin doesn't like these manual kind of, I have rosacea, so these things do not, actually maybe I'll leave this for a giveaway. But it sounds like it's light. I don't know. This is a really good brand, Sanitas. So anyways, I will do a little investigation on this one. But again, nice size. Like this is definitely above just a sample. That is another reason I like it. Two more things, you guys. Let's see. Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Dry Oil Mist. Okay, you know what? I think we've got some frizz. Should we use it? Let's do it. I really love this Alterna brand. I have used, let me just see if it's a mist. Okay, let's go ahead and do a little spray. Okay, here we go. One of these things, there's been these little hairs up here. Ooh. Okay, so right off the bat, you guys, it smells good. Okay, let's give it a little dry oil. Okay, it's kind of smoothing down that little area here. I think that's good, especially needed on my dry ends. Let's do a little bit more. Oop. This is like Christmas. Like you open up the box and you're like, oh, what goodies did I get? Okay, this smoothing anti-frizz dry oil, I can tell you right now, it makes your hair super silky. Actually, it really is kind of silky. So this is good. And then we got a lovely perfume sample from Tocca. This is a really great brand, you guys. We have several. My daughter loves several of these perfumes, so we have a bunch of those. This one is in Cleopatra. Ooh, let's read. A swap the light and flowery summer scents for this bold and exotic jasmine-infused perfume that will warm the cool fall air. That is very good and descriptive. Let's go ahead and smell. Okay, I did a little squirt, just tapping. Ooh, that actually really does You guys, that actually smells amazing. It's the Mediterranean Seductress, fresh and sparkling grapefruit and lush greens fade into seasonal white, jasmine, and vanilla musk. This is really, I like these perfumes because they're not terribly expensive and they're really nice and they have a lot of different variety to them. Okay, so I actually have to tell you, this is a really nice perfume sample, and I love the scent. So that is the conclusion of the box. But you guys, I actually have to tell you, this is just a really great, every month that I get this box, I have loved pretty much everything in it, and I just think they do a really good job. And they also introduce me to brands that I've been curious about, but maybe I haven't purchased. So I will give you an update on a couple things. I'm definitely gonna try this evening. The face, the hair mask. Come say hello. This is my daughter, Miss Zoe. Hi. That scared me. Okay, anyways, I will give you an update on this, on some of the products in here, but I highly, highly, highly recommend this Beautyfix box. I think Dermstore does an amazing job. And then you guys let me know what your favorite boxes are. I have